Hello friends, this is me Asghar Khan, your VFX tutor. Today I am gonna teach you hyperlinks. This is class 6 of season 2 working with HTML elements. So let's start our video. The web page designer can provide a hyperlink to send an email through the web page. So let's demonstrate how to set hyperlink for sending an email in a web page. So start. Open the notepad. So type this code which is already I typed. And title today class is hyperlink. So we type hyperlink and in body we make a subheading H3 in which we show your comments are welcome. So close the heading and then now we set image src equal and type hi dot jpg any jpg alt equal thanks for visiting. Alt is attribute for text writing and then close br and then send me your comments. 8. Now type your email a space h r e f equal mail to the person you mail to. So type mail to. For example, I will mail Sean dot Smith @hotmail.com inverted commas close my email ID and close the a attribute and then close body and then HTML and go to file and save as .html and see the magic. So you click on this email ID, then Outlook will appear. Microsoft Office Outlook application will appear. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next video.